Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. Hi guys, what's up? Look, I'm just one of these blondes that loves to be blonde, but also likes to change my hair color every 2 minutes for about 2 minutes. Hey guys, so I guess you're here because you are blonde or you've dyed your hair during COVID or I don't know. You put hair dye on your hair from a supermarket and you're hoping you can get it out. Now I've done this process a fair few times now and it genuinely does work. It will not work for everybody's hair. There's a few things you need to take into consideration. The quality of my hair is terrible. It is fried. So I feel like when I dye my hair, the color sits on it and it doesn't really absorb. If I was to dye my hair properly from blonde to dark, you would put like a filler color in and then color over top. So I feel like if I had done that, it would not have worked as well. So I did realize that when I had the black hair, that I could feel it. It felt like my hair was thicker, like there was color sitting on my hair, and I felt like it just didn't take. So therefore it came out easier. So that's something to keep in mind. Everybody's hair is different. You're using different dyes, you're using different products as in shampoo and vitamin C. You're gonna be leaving it for different time frames. There's so many variables, but in general, this has worked for me and I wanted to share it with you as an update. So I have gone from blonde hair to permanent box dyed black hair, and during COVID, I went from blonde to a bright purple semi-permanent. All you need is a mixing bowl, some vitamin C, and I've used 1,000 milligrams and 500, both have worked. And you just need some cleansing shampoo, and I've gone for cheaper brands, which I find to work really well. I didn't really measure my vitamin C, I just took a handful and I've tried 2 ways, a mortar and pestle to mash it up, and I've also tried using hot water and mashing that up as well. The mortar and pestle worked really well in comparison. I have tried this on both dry hair and also wet hair. Both methods worked well. The longer I left it, the more product came out. However, I wouldn't recommend leaving it over 1 hour. Just do more applications as needed. The best results I had was with my black hair dye. This was the first application which completely stripped it, but as I said, the color didn't seem to take to my hair. On a second application, you can see here that it's even lighter. So I just did it over and over again until the water ran clear. You can see here with the semi-permanent, the color going into the bath. I would say if you don't see this on first application, that it's probably not going to work for you. I feel like when you first do this process, if you don't notice any dye coming out of your hair the first time, I would say it's not going to work. Feel free to just test it first on like a section like this so that you're not covering your whole head. You should be able to just apply it, leave it for like 20 minutes and just see if any color comes out. If it doesn't, I don't think it's gonna take. I don't think the process is going to work for you. So give it a go, and that just saves your head a little bit. You're not having to do the whole thing over and over again. Okay, a couple of questions that got asked quite a lot. The first one was, does this work on lightening your natural hair color? The answer is no. The mixture removes hair product from your hair. So hair dye, the color, is sitting on your hair and it is removing that. So it doesn't do anything to natural hair. Another question I got asked was, if you've dyed your hair blonde, will it take you back to your natural color? Again, no. By bleaching your hair, you have already taken out all of the natural color and I guess dyed color from your hair. So it won't do anything to put that back in. To put color back in, you're gonna have to deposit product onto your head or grow your hair out. Well, I hope you found that helpful, guys. If you give this a go, please leave in the comments how it went for you. Let us know, how was your hair before you started it? What hair dye did you use? What color did you go to? How much vitamin C? Let us know the whole process. If it doesn't work, we can learn from it. And if it does work, we can also learn from it. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.